Good day. Kindly follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. We are now on the part 2 of our lesson 4, and today we will talk about addition and subtraction of polynomials. So first, what is polynomial? Polynomial comes from poly means many and nomial means terms. So kapag sinabing polynomial, it is an algebraic expression consisting of many terms. There are kinds of polynomials. First is the monomial, from the key syllables mono. So when we said monomial, it is an algebraic expression with one terms. Ito yung mga halimbawa ng monomial. X squared, 2c, at 5a. Ang x squared ay isang halimbawa ng monomial dahil ito ay nagko-consist lamang ng isang term. Ganon din ang 2c at 5a. Second kind of polynomial is the binomial, from the key syllable bi, so it is an algebraic expression with two terms. Heto ang halimbawa ng binomial. 2x squared plus 1 at x minus 4. Ang 2x squared plus 1 ay kabilang o tinatawag na binomial dahil nagko-consist ito ng dalawang terms, 1, 2, at sila ay pinag-combine gamit ang addition symbol. Sa x minus 4 naman, ang dalawang terms na x at 4 ay pinag-combine or pinagsama gamit ang subtraction symbol. Third kind is the trinomial, from the key syllable tri, so it is an algebraic expression with three terms. This is an example of trinomial x squared plus 5x plus 6. Last is the multinomial. It is an algebraic expression with many terms from the key syllables multi. So, heto ang halimbawa ng multinomials, x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 2. Let us now have the examples. Number 1, add 25a and 9a. So, here are the rules in adding or subtracting monomials. Again, kapag sinabing monomial, it consists of one term. So, ang 25a dito ay consisting of one term, ganun din ang 9a. So the first step is to add or subtract the numerical coefficients using the rule in addition or subtraction of signed numbers. So i-recall natin paano ba mag-add or mag-subtract ng signed numbers. Kapag sinabing signed numbers, these are the positive and the negative numbers. So heto yung rule for the addition of integers, same signs, kapag parehong positive, add, kapag parehong negative, add. Different signs kapag ang isa ay negative at ang isa ay positive, you have to subtract. Next, in subtracting the integers or the numbers, you have to apply the process of KCC or keep, change, change. Mamaya malalaman natin ano ba yung sinasabi nating KCC. Again, ito pa yung halimbawa or techniques in adding the integers or constants. Kapag parehong positive, positive ang sagot. Kapag parehong negative, negative ang sagot. Kapag naman mas malaki ang positive kaysa sa negative, you have to copy the sign of the bigger number so that is positive. Ganon din sa negative. Kapag mas malaki ang negative na numbers, therefore the final answer or the sum must be negative. Okay, so let us now proceed in adding 25a and 9a. So, isulat natin yung similar literal coefficients or let us bring down the similar literal coefficients. Kapag sinabing literal coefficients, iyon yung variable, which is yung a. Kapag naman sinabing numerical coefficients, iyon yung number. So let us now solve using the vertical method. So 25a plus 9a. Kailangan magkatapat ang literal coefficient at ang constants o ang numerical coefficient para hindi tayo malito sa solution. So let us now add. So 25a plus 9a is 34a because 25 plus 9 is 34, and then you have to copy or you just have to bring down the variable which is a. Second example, subtract 2m squared to negative 17m squared. So, i-recall natin since kailangan natin i-subtract ang 2m squared sa negative 17m squared, kailangan nating sundin yung KCC or keep, change, change. So, isulat natin in vertical ang ating given, 2m squared minus negative 17m squared. Okay. So, kapag sinabing KCC, ang ikikip natin ay yung 2m squared and then change yung minus. So, kapag sinabing change, papalitan natin. So, ano ba yung kabaligtaran ng minus? That is addition or plus. And then, yung pangalawa namang salitang change ay para sa pangalawang term. So, that is negative 17m squared. Kapag sinabing change negative 17m squared, papalitan natin yung sign ng negative 17m squared. So, palitan natin ang minus ng plus, ganun din, ang negative sign ay magiging positive. And then, since napalitan ang minus ng plus, i-add na natin ang 2 sa positive 17. So, that is 19. And then, you will just bring down the similar literal coefficients, which is m, and then kokopyahin lang natin yung exponent. Therefore, the final answer is 19m squared. Next is the rules in adding or subtracting polynomials. First, arrange the polynomial in descending or ascending order if necessary. Kapag sinabing descending order, yun yung i-arrange natin yung mga exponent simula sa pinakamataas na exponent pababa. Kapag naman ascending, simula sa pinakamababang exponent pataas. Next, group the terms which are similar. Third, add or subtract the numerical coefficients, apply the rules in subtracting and adding integers, and copy the literal coefficients. So let us proceed. Let us now have the example. Number 1, add 4x squared minus 2x plus 5 to 7 plus 5x cubed plus 4x minus x squared. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating given o yung ating unang polynomial which is 4x squared minus 2x plus 5 ay naka-arrange na sa descending o pababang exponent. Pinakamataas na exponent ang 2, nasundan ng 1 and then 0 or constant. Pero yung pangalawa nating polynomial ay hindi naka-arrange. Nauna ang constant, tapos na sa pangalawa ang pinakamataas na exponent which is 3. So, pagsunod-sunurin natin yung exponents para mas madali nating ma-solve. So, again, copy the first polynomial, 4x squared minus 2x plus 5 plus 5 cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 7. So, dito, in-arrange na natin in descending order. 3, 2, 1, 0. So, let us now add. Since walang katapat ang 5x cubed, ibababa lang natin or you just have to bring down. So, again, ito ang rule in addition of integers. Same signs, add, different signs, subtract. So, the final answer is 5x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 12. So, paano nga ba naging ganyan yung sagot? Again, binring down lang natin ang 5x cubed. And then, ang x squared dito ay may katabing numerical coefficient na 1. So, since negative ito, so 4 minus 1 is positive 3x squared. Again, copy the sign of the bigger number. Next, negative 2x and positive 4x. Magkaiba sila ng sign or different sign, subtract. And then, since mas malaki, ang 4 at ang sign ng 4 ay positive, so the answer is positive 2x. Next, parehong positive ang 5 at 7, so pinag-add lang natin. Since same signs is to add, so 5 plus 7 is 12. Next, subtract 4xy plus 5x minus 7y plus 3 from xy minus 6x plus y plus 6. So kung mapapansin nyo, magkakasunod na or nakaayos na ang ating polynomial, xy, 5x, x, y, so y, at ang constant. So, isusulat lang natin in vertical form. Ayan. And then, subtract. So, kapag magsusubtract, let us apply the KCC. So, ang minus ay naging plus. Palagi po magiging plus yung minus symbol. And then, ang 4xy dito ay positive, so gagawin nating negative. Ang positive 5x ay magiging negative 5x, negative 7y ay magiging positive, at ang positive 3 ay magiging negative. And then, let us now solve using the process or the rules in addition of integers. So, xy, so may 1 dyan nakatabi. Kapag variable lang ang nakalagay, automatic may number 1 po yung nakatabi sa kaliwa. So, 1 and negative 4. Magkaiba sila ng sign, so you have to subtract. And then, the final answer will be negative 3xy minus 11x plus 8y plus 3. So, paano naging ganito yung sagot? So, again, 1 and negative 4 is negative 3xy. Pareho ng negative yung 6 at 5, so kokopyahin lang natin yung sign which is negative and then add 6 plus 5 is 11x. And then positive 1 and positive 7, kaya naging positive 8y. And then positive 6 and negative 3, different sign, subtract. So 6 minus 3 is positive 3. Again, kailangan palagi niyong susundin ang rules in addition and subtraction of integers. Additional examples, number 3. Add 5a to the 5th power minus 6a squared plus 8, 3a cubed plus a squared minus 8a, and 4a to the 4th power plus a cubed minus 6a squared plus a minus 10. So kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron tayong tatlong polynomials. Kung kanina ay tigdadalawa lamang na polynomial, so dito, ginawa na nating tatlong polynomials. So, ganun pa rin, pagtatapat-tapatin lang natin ang magkakatulad ng exponent. So, 5 sa 5, 4 sa 4, hanggang a sa a. And then, susundin lang natin ang rules ng ating addition and subtraction of polynomials. So, i-bring down natin yung ating first polynomial. Kung mapapansin nyo, after ng 5 na exponent, ang sunod na ay 2. So, para hindi tayo mahirapan sa pag-a-add, maglagay tayo ng 4, 3 sa pagitan ng 5 at 2 para sunod-sunod yung ating exponent, pero ang numerical coefficient niya ay 0. So, magiging 5a to the 5th power plus 0a to the 4th power plus 0a cubed minus 6a squared plus 0a plus 8. So, paano nagkaroon ng 0a dito? Dahil ang kasunod na ng 2 ay ang constant, so kailangan po may variable a para kapag pinagtapat-tapat natin, alam natin kung alin yung may blanco. So, isulat na natin yung pangalawang polynomial. 3a cubed plus a squared minus 8a. So, sa pangalawa nating polynomial, ang pinakamataas na exponent ay 3. So, tinapat lang natin sa 3 na exponent. Sinundan ng 2 and then 1 or yung variable a lamang. Next is yung pangatlong polynomial, 4a to the 4th power plus a cubed minus 6a squared plus a minus 10. Again, kapag ginamit nyo yung vertical method in adding or subtracting polynomials, kailangan magkakatapat ang mga numerical coefficients at ang literal coefficients or yung mga letters at numbers para hindi kayo malito sa solution. So, let us now add. Again, sundin natin yung rules in adding integers. Same sign add, different sign subtract. So, the final answer will be 5a to the 5th power plus 4a to the 4th power plus 4a cubed minus 11a squared minus 7a minus 2. So, isa-isahin natin paano naging ganyan yung sagot. Again, since walang katapat ang 5a to the 5th power, so bring down. And then, since 0 na ito, or ibig sabihin blanco yan, so binring down lang din natin yung 4a to the 4th power. Next, 0, 8 cube. So, cancel lang din yan or blanco. And then, kapag walang katabi ang literal coefficient o ang variable, that is 1. So, 3 plus 1 is 4. Next, negative 6, positive 1, negative 6. So, isa-isahin lang natin. Negative 6 at positive 1. So, magkaiba ng sign, subtract. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5 because 6 minus 1 is 5. And then copy the sign of the bigger number, so that is negative 5. And then, since meron tayong negative 5, i-minus natin sa 6. Negative 5, negative 6, magkatulad ng sign, add. So, 5 plus 6 is 11, and then negative. Next, 0a, so hindi na siya kabilang sa solution. Negative 8a and positive 1a, or positive a. Negative 8, positive 1. Different sign, subtract. So, 8 minus 1 is 7. And then, since ang sign ng bigger number is negative, so that is negative 7. And then, positive 8 plus negative 10. 8, negative 10. Different sign, subtract. So, 10 minus 8 is 2. And then, since ang sign ng 10 ay negative, therefore, that is negative 2. Let's now have the fourth example. Subtract 3x cubed plus 8x minus 5 from the sum of x plus 4 and x squared minus 3. So dito kung mapapansin nyo, bukod sa kailangan natin i-subtract, ay kailangan din natin mahanap yung sum. So ano ba yung operation na kailangan natin gawin kapag sinabing sum? So that is addition. So ang gagawin natin, i-add muna natin ang x plus 4 at x squared minus 3 bago natin i-minus or i-subtract sa 3x cubed plus 8x minus 5. So let us now add, using the rules, add first, x plus 4 and x squared minus 3. So bakit pa nagkaroon ng space dito? Ito ay dahil walang x lamang or may exponent na 1 sa ating pangalawang binomial. So hindi natin itatapat yung x squared sa x. And then let us now add, bring down x squared, and then bring down din yung x dahil wala siyang katapat. And then, positive 4 and negative 3, different sign, subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then, since ang sign ng bigger number is positive, so that is positive 1. Next, is to subtract x squared plus 1, x squared plus x plus 1 sa 3x cubed plus 8x minus 5. Okay, basahin ng mabuti ang ating instruction o ang given. Sabi dyan, subtract from. Ibig sabihin, mauuna dapat ang nasa pangalawang binomial bago ang una. So, ibig sabihin, mauuna ang x squared plus x plus 1 dito sa 3x cubed plus 8x minus 5. Kapag ang nakalagay dyan ay subtract from, mauuna yung pangalawa bago yung una. Kapag naman nakalagay ay subtract 2, mauuna yung unang polynomial bago yung pangalawa. Tandaan yung mga keywords ng ating operations. So let us now subtract x squared plus x plus 1 and 3x cubed plus 8x minus 5. Sa ating given polynomial, walang nakalagay dito na x squared, so lagyan natin ng space dito sa tapat ng x squared. So let us now subtract. Again, kapag magsusubtract tayo, let us apply the process of KCC or keep, change, change. Ano yung i-keep natin? Iyon yung unang polynomial. Ang pangalawa is change, so papalitan ng minus ng plus. And then, yung isa pang change ay papalitan natin lahat ng sign ng pangalawang polynomial. So, ang 3x cubed ay magiging negative 3x cubed. Ang positive 8x ay magiging negative at ang negative 5 ay magiging positive 5. And then, proceed na tayo sa process ng addition of integers. So, the final answer is negative 3x cubed plus x squared minus 7x plus 6. So, isa-isahin natin paano naging ganito yung sagot. Again, ang 3x cubed ay naging negative na, so bring down lang natin. Walang katapat ang x squared, so that is positive. Since wala siyang katabing sign dito, that is always positive. Next, positive 1 and negative 8. Different sign, subtract. 8 minus 1 is 7, and then since ang sign ng bigger number is negative, so that is negative 7x. And then last, positive 1 and positive 5, so same sign, add. 1 plus 5 is 6, and then copy the sign which is positive. So let us now summarize what we have learned about the addition and subtraction of polynomials. The rules in adding or subtracting monomial, first is to add or subtract the numerical coefficients using the rule in addition or subtraction of signed numbers, And second is bring down the similar literal coefficients. Remember, kapag sinabing numerical coefficients, iyon yung constant or number. Kapag naman sinabing literal coefficients, iyon yung variable o yung letter. Next, rules in adding or subtracting polynomials. Arrange the polynomial in descending or ascending order if possible. Group the terms which are similar. And the last is to add or subtract the numerical coefficients, applying the rules in subtracting and adding integers, and copy the literal coefficients. Sana ay nakatulong ang video na ito tungkol sa addition and subtraction of polynomials. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Enjoy learning mathematics. God bless us all!